Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Affiliate Commission Machine. So before we jump in, a reminder, this is an honest review. This is my honest opinion of the product. There will be a link to the sales page we're looking at down in the video description. If you click on that link, it'll take you to the page we're looking at right here, right now in this video. If you choose to purchase the product or any upsells else through through that page, then I will receive a commission. My goal is to steer you towards good products and away from bad products. I wish I could give more good reviews. There's lots of people who make lots of money off of these types of videos because all they give are good reviews and they sell their followers a lot of junk. And I don't want to do that to you guys. So what I do is I give you the truth to the best of my ability to discern it based on my experiences in the affiliate marketing world. With that in mind, check out the links, like and subscribe, and here we go. So this is Affiliate Commission Machine. Now, there's a lot of sales page here. It's not, I don't think this is an unnecessarily big sales page. I think this is actually a very well done sales page. I think it's got just kind of the right amount of hype, the right amount of sales copy, without getting bogged down in an unnecessary amount of repetition and just ridiculous hype. There's no cheerleading going on here. A couple things that I don't pay an awful lot of attention to, but we'll take a quick browse through here. We're going to try to keep this a bit on the shorter side overall. And mostly what I want to do, I'm going to run through this quick and then summarize exactly what it is you're getting with this, because I think that takes a few minutes to understand. So we've got a little promotional video up here. We're not going to run that. Base price right at the top. I do like this, $9.97. There are upsells that are involved in this. So if you do purchase the product or you click to buy it, you're going to get offered upgrades, and that's okay. There's not a lot of them. There are a few, and I'm not going to look at them right now because realistically I can't tell you what's in any of them anyway. We've got a couple of screenshots here. Now, most screenshots I discredit right away because they're completely meaningless to us. This one isn't saying it's going to make you $400 a day or $20,000 in a month or anything like that. What this is doing, okay, so over here we can see that this is showing us the same offer. Click Traffic Cyclone. We've got a tracking code here called Bonus Garage, and the other one has no tracking code. Okay, so it's the same product, but we're tracking one specific marketing technique or traffic technique. Okay, now the Bonus Garage is showing 18 hops versus 50 hops. Now, hop is basically somebody interacting with, basically somebody clicks on a link. Okay. And sales, obviously, is when somebody purchases something through the link. Hop conversion is the number of sales versus the number of hops. So in this case, 7 out of 18 gives us a 38.9% conversion rate, while 7 out of 50 gives us a 14%. What it's showing us is that Bonus Garage, or this method that is in here, this traffic method, is giving us a higher conversion. That's the point they're trying to make here. Now, I'm a little puzzled why Bonus Garage changes a little bit between the two of these, but Click Traffic Cyclone, or say the non-applicable one, stays exactly the same. I don't know if this was just taken later on the same day. I don't know, because I don't know. But anyway, that's what that one's actually trying to show you, just to help you understand that a little bit better. I think a lot of the sales copy on this is actually fairly good. It's legitimate. They're looking at what they're going to do here is they're trying to explain to you, or trying to hit you with the reality that if you're in the marketing world or trying to get into the online marketing world, you're probably frustrated because of all of the products you've bought, all of the techniques you've tried, and there are literally, I mean, there's at the very least dozens per week of new products quote unquote new products and methods and so on and so forth coming out that are aimed at you. You've probably bought multiples of these and been thoroughly disappointed. And this is laying out the quote unquote secret strategy. And I will say this is absolutely true. Think about every method you've ever seen advertised, and what they're doing is they're showing you that they've made some sales. Okay, they start small. Okay, let's say you're selling coffee cups. Okay, it doesn't really matter what you're selling. Okay, you're trying to make your product stand out. You could be selling subscriptions to a magazine. You could be trying to get people to sign up for your podcast or whatever. But whatever somebody's doing, you want to start out small. Then they use a fast results method. So basically, you're working on a system, you're tweaking things, you start learning about marketing, you start adjusting things and tracking things to see what works. And then once you have results and you have a name for yourself, then you package your method and you sell it. And absolutely, this is what so many people do. Now, some of them do it dishonestly. There are a lot, if you hang out on ClickBank and JVZoo and Warrior Plus and so on and so forth, you find, or frankly, if you're watching a lot of these review videos on YouTube, and I won't name names, but a lot of these guys just fake it till they make it, right? And this is what a huge number of people do. You act as though you have a lot of money. You act as though you know a lot about what you're talking about, and the reality is that, for the most part, these people don't know squat, but they're convincing you that they know something, and you go and you buy their product, you buy their method, you buy their whatever super thing this is. You maybe even pay dozens or hundreds, I hope not thousands, of extra dollars to buy the upsells because you want the big deal. You don't want to make $200 a week when you can be making $700,000 a year or more. So you spend big money to invest in the upsells, and the people who benefit the most are the people who sold you the bad product, right? Or the people who sold you a good product, right? But this is truly where the money is. There's probably no more viable product on the internet right now than methods on online income. Okay, and it looks at some problems. We're going to go through, and I'm going to kind of jump to the bottom so that you understand what you're going to actually get with this. So you are going to get the method. Okay, so the affiliate commission machine itself is going to give you a traffic and sales commission method. Okay, it's going to teach you strategies. Now, I don't think on here it's going to tell us exactly what we get in terms of overall content. I like this product. I like what I'm seeing for this product. I still don't pay any attention to the testimonials because unless I know the person and I can email them and say, hey, George, did you actually try this product out? Unless it's somebody I can do that with or somebody I know personally, I don't care because it's so easy to make up stuff. Okay, so you're going to get the blueprint and you're going to get the PLR rights to the blueprint. So this is kind of win-win for you because, one, if you know absolutely nothing, it's $10. You get the system, you get the training. Now, there's a lot of bad training products out there. There's a lot of overhyped and overrated training products out there. But most of the time, and I've bought some that I would consider bad, and to my chagrin, even with the bad ones, I usually learn something that I didn't know before. These guys have been around for a long time. I think Jorge has been around for I think since the 90s he's been doing marketing. He's a name that I haven't dealt with him or a lot of his products, but it is a name I've heard. So he's been around for a while. These guys aren't new to this. You're going to learn something from their training. Secondly, even if you don't already have a product to sell, right? If you don't have a subscription site, if you don't have some kind of an online store, if you don't have some kind of media or product that you're getting a subscription income from, you're going to get a PLR product. So you can turn around and you can sell the content of the affiliate commission machine. You can sell that as your own product. So, Bob Smith, Dave Brown, Sally, what's her name? You can put your name on this product and turn around and sell it to other people using the very methods that you're going to learn in the content, which, I don't know, to me that seems really great and really simple. So, complete set of training videos with slides, responsive squeeze page and thank you page. If you don't know what a squeeze page is, then you probably need some training. You're probably very new to this. A squeeze page is the sort of thing that takes your interest and funnels you or directs you or squeezes you towards a specific goal, which typically is going to be buying a product. Okay, so squeeze pages are big for conversions, getting not in the religious or political sense, but in the sales sense. Hot off the press, lead magnet. It's not going to tell us what the lead magnet is here. Lead magnets are things that you can give out for free or for cheap that kind of wet the whistle. They whet the appetite. So, for instance, with a lot of ebooks, you might give away a free mind map or a checklist or something like that. You see these all the time with PLR bundles. Somebody gets the checklist and they go, okay, I like what the checklist says, but what do they mean by number 3? Well, if you want to find out more about number 3, you have to go and turn around and buy the ebook or subscribe to the website so you can access the articles or whatever the case may be. So lead magnets are very useful. The money raking sales page, the money raking is not important in the fact that it's a sales page. That's what you're getting. So you don't need to build a lot of this stuff. You're just going to presumably need a place to host it. I have not gone past this, so I can't tell you exactly everything that you might want to know beyond the sales page here about exactly what you're going to need. Web hosting is not a ridiculously expensive thing, though. Email sequences, so you can promote the product. Graphics pack, so you can promote the product. Everything to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. And again, the full resale rights. And if you're thinking how complicated it's going to be for you to sell this stuff, it's not that complicated to. I mean, you can. I didn't see a video listed in here, but you can always do YouTube videos. You can do TikTok videos. You can build yourself a Facebook page. There's lots of relatively inexpensive things you can do to try to build up some traffic, and sell a product. And again, of course, you're going to be learning how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, not just selling the idea. So literally, you're getting the method and a product in one. Again, I don't care about the testimonials. Some bonuses here. I don't spend a lot of time focusing on bonuses. This is a bonus garage access. This is going to help you to create unique bonus campaigns within minutes. Okay, so that's going to help you on your way. Social media content kit. Okay, so blog posts, presentation slides, graphics, social media descriptions, and tags, plus a lot more. Social media is huge, but every social media platform tends to have its own specific, let's call them details. So let's say you want to post a picture, to Facebook, but that's easy enough. If you want to post a picture and use it for a Facebook ad, well, depending on where you want to put that ad, the sizing of the image needs to be different. And likewise, if you go over to Instagram, or if you want to use something for a thumbnail on YouTube, or you want to make a Pinterest page with it, all of these things require different sizings and scalings and so on and so forth. So social media content kits are super. I absolutely love them. They simplify life so much. You're going to get a 50K launch strategy. Sounds good. I can't tell you what's in it because it's his top golden secrets, but you're going to get it for free. Exclusive interview. Again, interviews can be extremely useful because if you're paying, it's like any other field. If you're paying attention to what someone's saying about what they do and how they do it, you're going to learn something. Okay, is it worth $297? Well, that's going to be up to you. But 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so that's what you're going to get. Now, there is a disclaimer down here. Privacy policy terms and conditions. Take the time to read these. Do your homework. Understand that there are no guarantees. And anyone who tells you that they have a guaranteed product or a guaranteed strategy, with very rare exception, most of the time they're lying to you. I have a story about a product that I bought some years ago, and it cost me $10, and it did say, if you follow the steps, I guarantee you will make $10. You will at least make back the cost of this product. And you know what? They were right. It cost me $10 US, and it made me $10 US. And but I did have to follow the steps. It wasn't a great deal of effort to do that, but you have to follow the steps. And this isn't making any guarantees so far. This is telling you that, hey, look, here's some strategies and here's what we've learned over the years. It's $10. Don't buy it because it's cheap. Buy it because you think it's going to be valuable. I think this looks valuable. I have some friends I think I'm going to be recommending this to. And I might even, we'll see. I don't have a lot of time these days to look at systems and things, but I might even break down and buy this one myself. There are upsells to it. I can't tell you anything about them other than they exist. You'll get information if you go beyond this and click on the yes, I want to buy this. It's obviously going to take you to places where they're going to try to sell you more stuff. That's the video. I am going to recommend this one. The other thing about these guys is they tend to have a fairly low refund rate, which I like, and overall fairly decent ratings. So, Affiliate Commission Machine, check it out. You get the product, you get the system, and you get something you can sell all in one along with the bonuses. I think this one's a good deal. So for $10, go check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any experience with this product or the vendors, feel free to share it with us in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys back here soon.